Today, we learn how to factorize using the second algebraic identity for an expression in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Previously, we have learned that the second algebraic identity is a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. The process of simplifying the left to right is called expansion. And since we know expansion is the reverse of factorization, we can actually factorize a square minus 2ab plus b square using the same algebraic identity, and this will give us a minus b whole bracket square. Let us analyze the expression a square minus 2ab plus b square even further. We realize that the first term, which is a square, and the last term, which is b square, are actually perfect squares. We also notice that the operation between the first and the second term is minus. So in order to use the second algebraic identity and to sub in the values of a and b, we need to square root their perfect squares. Let us take a look at an example on how to factorize 81e squared minus 36ef plus 4f squared. We notice that for this expression, there are three terms, such that the first and the last term are perfect squares, and the operation in between the first and second term is a minus. So we can actually use the second algebraic identity to factorize this. In order to find the value of a and b to be substituted into this second algebraic identity, we need to square root these perfect squares. So, as a side working, to find the value of a, we actually square root 81 e squared. So square root of 81 will give us 9. Square root of e squared will give us e. Next, to find the value of b, we need to square root the second perfect square, which is 4f squared. So therefore, square root of 4 will give us 2. Square root of f squared will give us f. Next, we need to check that when we multiply 2 to the value of a and b, it should give us the same as the middle term of this expression. So let's check. When we multiply 2 to the value of a, which is 9e, multiply by the value of b, which is f, this will give us 36ef. And this is the same as the middle term, while ignoring the minus sign in front. So therefore, we know that we have the correct value of a and b. So to factorize 81 e squared minus 36ef plus 4f squared by using the second algebraic identity, it is actually equals to the value of a minus the value of b, which is 9e minus 2f whole bracket square. So this is how we factorize using the second algebraic identity.